This is a review of a Rview 3-pack LED video studio lighting kit. And the reason I bought this is because I am starting a YouTube channel and I wanted to get some lighting for the background when I make my videos. This comes with three 70 LED video lights with adjustable tripod stands, and it comes with 9 different color filters, so you can choose between the colors, as you're going to see in the video later. This is a 5600K USB studio lighting kit for table, low angle shooting, collection, YouTube photography, anything like that. So you can use this for video or taking pictures. And the tripods are adjustable. You can make them higher or lower to get the top, high view or low view. And as you can see, I'm adjusting the height of the one of the tripods, and you're gonna see how I screw in one of the lights. And unfortunately, it doesn't come with a plug-in that you need a block to plug into the wall, the ones that you use to charge your phone, and so you can plug in the USB cable, USB end, and then that way it can turn on. As you can see in the video, I bring in one of my my cell phone block charger that connects to the wall, and I'm going to be testing out the 9 different colors also that that you can put on each of the 3 lights. So yes, I recommend that. I give these a 5-star review, and so far I'm gonna set all 3 up in the studio room that I'm creating, and it's gonna be perfect. So if you're somebody that does a photographer, or you make content, you're into making YouTube videos, I highly recommend you check these lights out and get you some, so you can have a perfect background lighting for your content, your videos, all types of stuff like that. As you can see in the video, I'm gonna be that's where I bring in the block to plug it in, and it's, as you can see, you can turn up the brightness and turn it down. So you can turn up the LED brightness, lumens, what they call it lumens. You turn up the lumens or turn them down. Depends on you how bright you want it. And right now I'm going to be testing each color filter out. As you can see, different colors. It comes with 9 different ones, as I said. All the basic colors that you can imagine. And so I'm going to be using green. That's going to be my background color for the YouTube video that I started. So as you can see, check it out. It comes in a big box. So go ahead and check these awesome LED lights out. Start testing them out and see how they will benefit